Hi there, Joe Machado here with WSIBsettlements.com. I hope you and your family are doing well. I'm sure, like many of us, you're experiencing the financial implications of this global pandemic. And as an injured or ill worker, it's probably placed you at a greater disadvantage than you were before. I believe we can help you. If you suffered a workplace injury before January 1st, 1998, and received benefits from the WSIB, there's a strong likelihood, based on my experience, that your benefits weren't calculated properly and didn't take all of the necessary factors into consideration. This is based on over 30 years of handling WSIB claims for our clients and being able to obtain millions of dollars for them as a result of errors committed by the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board. We have found a way to be able to help individuals who are in this situation have their benefits recalculated properly, so that whatever was done improperly can be corrected. And what I mean by that, it would be the benefits that you initially received during your injury and your medical rehabilitation and convalescence. Any benefits that you received while you were involved with vocational rehabilitation services, or in the case of post-1990 injuries, if you received a future economic loss award, if you received any supplements from the WSIB while you were involved with vocational rehabilitation, such as Section 147.2 supplement or the older worker supplement under Section 147.4. All of these benefits would have been affected by that original calculation. As important as that is your pension. So if you received a pension that was slated to pay you monthly for your lifetime, and you're still receiving that pension would have also been affected by that calculation. So with our compensation rate recalculation kit, we will be able to help you determine whether those benefits were calculated properly. That may result in a few $1,000s, and in the event that you receive the pension and continue to receive a pension, that could amount to significant revenue, as well as your pension going forward being higher than what you're getting paid right now. So we have a very simple process that we've developed and that you can use to be able to find out if you've been paid properly. The best thing about that is that you don't have to share your settlement with anyone, not us, not a lawyer or a paralegal. It goes to you and your family. If you fill into this category, log on to our website, have a look, and get on board. I hope things get well for you soon. Take care.